warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To our lecturer, TS Dr. Hanizam B. Hashim. I'm Izzah Bahirah. Today, I would like to present our assignment about IR 4.0 technology for 3D printing for subject advanced manufacturing process. We have 4 group members. First is Noor Izzah Bahirah binti Muhammad ZAKI. Second, Noor FATIHAH binti FAIZUL AZLI. Third, KOOGULLAN PERUMAL. Fourth, Muhammad Iskandar bin Muhammad NOOR. As we know, 4.0 technology refer to automation and digitalization of all industrial and business activities. Industrial revolution throughout history have been distinguished by characteristics of the very rising technology of the time. 3D printing is one of the leading emerging technology of Industry 4.0. The use and implementation of additive manufacturing in combination with other technology which is producing an evolution in the industry toward an intelligent production where machine automatic and intelligent system enable are able to exchange information and respond to system of production management. How 3D printing help to enhance the current manufacturing? Firstly, rapid prototyping to speed up product development by allowing quick design iteration without expensive tooling. Second, customization enable personalized product without disrupting mass production line. 3. Material efficiency reduce waste compared to traditional sub-practice method which is cutting and milling. 4. Decentralized production allow on-demand manufacturing closer to consumer, reducing logistic costs. 5. Complex geometry for products design that are impossible or too costly with conventional method. For example, 3D printing in industry is automotive industry. Automotive we choose is BMW. Use 3D printing to produce customized tool and lightweight car part. This reduce production time, lower cost, and improve worker economic. Instead of waiting week for a machine prototype, engineer can print a part in hour, test it, and refine the design immediately. Second, 3D printing also used in healthcare, which is medical implant and prosthetic are now tailored to individual patient using 3D printing. They enhance patient outcome while reducing manufacturing costs compared to traditional casting or molding.
Hi everyone, my name is KOOGULLAN son of PERUMAL. So I'm going to talk about the costs involved in the implementation of IR 4.0. The implementation of 3D printing, which we have selected in manufacturing, involves several types of costs, which can be divided into initial costs and also operational costs. Firstly, the initial investment cost. This includes purchasing 3D printers, which can range in price from the low cost desktop printers to expensive industrial grade equipment depending on the intended use. Industrial 3D printers used in manufacturing are costly because they offer higher accuracy, speed, and durability. Software such as CAD designing software, simulation tools, and printer control system is another expense that businesses must incur. The second point is material cost. 3D printing requires specific materials, including metals, composites, polymer, and resins. These commodities are usually more expensive than traditional raw materials. The price is also influenced by the type of goods being printed and the required degree of qualities. Thirdly, training and labor costs. Employees must receive training in equipment maintenance, printer operation, and 3D model design. This training requires time and money, especially for the complex industrial systems. So the fourth one is the maintenance and operating cost. 3D printers requires routine maintenance, part replacement, energy consumption, and quality inspection processes. These ongoing costs need to be considered for the long-term adoption. Finally, infrastructure and integration cost. Manufacturers may have to update their IT, cybersecurity, and data storage system in addition to integrating 3D printing with their existing production lines under the Industry 4.0. In conclusion, despite the high initial cost of 3D printing, technology can be reduced long-term costs by reducing material waste, reducing inventory, enabling rapid prototyping, and increasing production flexibility. So these are the five main points that we have to consider during the in the cost part for the implementation of IR. Thank you from me.
Hi, my name is Iskandar bin Matno. Today I will present about other requirements in the implementation of IR 4.0. So the first is we have three types of other requirement. The first is sustainable circular economy. A sustainable circular economy is one of the key requirements in the implementation of Industry 4.0. It focuses on reducing waste, reusing material, and improving resource efficiency in manufacturing. Through 3D printing, material can be optimized using precise digital design, which significantly reduce waste compared to traditional manufacturing method. So in addition, on-demand production help minimize overproduction and excess inventory, supporting uh, environmental friendly manufacturing practice. The second is skilled workforce and training. So another important requirement for IR 4.0 is a skilled workforce with knowledge in digital and advanced manufacturing technologies. Employees need to be trained in areas such as 3D modeling, CAD software, printer operation, and system maintenance. Proper training ensure that workers can effectively operate 3D printing system and adapt to smart manufacturing environment. Without skilled personnel, the full potential of IR 4.0 technologies cannot be achieved. So the third one is digital infrastructure and system integration. The implementation of Industry 4.0 also requires strong digital infrastructure and system integration. This includes reliable software systems, data management, and connectivity between machines and production process. In 3D printing, digital files, design software, and manufacturing system must be well integrated to ensure efficient production and quality control. So, a well developed digital infrastructure allows manufacturers to achieve automation, flexibility, and real time monitoring in smart manufacturing. So, in conclusion, these requirements support the successful implementation of IR 4.0 by enabling sustainable skill and digitally integrated manufacturing system.
My name is Nur Fatihah. I will explain about opinions on the next industrial revolution. First, human-centric innovation. The next industrial revolution does not aim to fully replace humans with machines. Instead, it focuses on collaboration between humans and machines, where technology supports human creativity, decision-making, and skills. Next, mass personalization. In Industry 5.0, products will no longer be one-size-fits-all. With advanced technologies such as AI and smart manufacturing, industries can produce customized products on a large scale to meet individual customer needs. Lastly, sustainable circular economy. Sustainability will be a core principle of Industry 5.0. Industries will move towards zero waste practice by reusing, recycling, and optimizing resources to reduce environmental impact. In conclusion, Industry 5.0 combines human-centered technology, personal production, and sustainability to create a more balanced and responsible industrial future. In conclusion, 3D printing plays an important role in IR 4.0 by improving the manufacturing process. It helps produce products faster and reduce waste material. Industries such as automotive and healthcare benefit from this technology through lower production time and better product quality. Although the cost of 3D printing is higher, the long-term benefits is worthwhile. Overall, 3D printing supports efficient, flexible, and sustainable manufacturing and is an important technology for the future of industry. That's all from us. Thank you.
That's all from our presentation. We discussed Industry 4.0 and the role of 3D printing in manufacturing. In conclusion, 3D printing improves efficiency and reduces waste. Thank you.